What's going on, muscle monsters? Alain Gonzalez here, and in this video I want to give you a very simple but effective weight gain shake that you can make from home with ingredients that you probably already have in your fridge and your pantry. Alright, this weight gain shake is going to take me but a minute to make and provide almost 1,000 calories. Okay, so if you're a naturally skinny guy who finds it damn near impossible to put on weight, I want you to have one of these shakes every single morning for the next week and watch what happens. Right now, I am sure we can both agree that you're not losing weight, you're just not gaining any weight, so you're basically maintaining your current weight. All right, adding this to your current day is going to automatically put you into a calorie surplus, thus putting you in a positive energy balance so you can gain weight. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take 16 ounces of whole milk and pour it into your blender. Okay, you always want to do the liquid first so that everything else doesn't get clogged up at the bottom. The next thing you're going to add is 1 cup of raw oats. Okay, just throw that right in there. Again, very simple, just a few ingredients and that's it. Almost 1,000 calories. The next thing we're going to do is add a whole banana, okay, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. You guys already know my trick. We wet the spoon first just to make sure it comes off super easy, less of a mess. We're going to dump that right in there. And then last but not least, we're going to add our whey protein. Obviously you can use whatever protein you already have. This is the one I have available, so it's the one I'm going to use, and we're going to do 1 scoop. That's all we need. Now, obviously, if you want to have more calories in the shake, then you can increase the serving sizes for each ingredient. But in this case, I think 1,000 calories is more than enough. All right? So that's everything we need. Now we're just going to blend everything up. So, drink this, it'll add almost 1,000 calories to your day, and if you don't change anything else, you're almost guaranteed to move the scale, right? Because if you're currently maintaining your weight, adding 1,000 calories a day is gonna definitely put you in a calorie surplus, okay? Not only that, but it tastes delicious, so get in the habit of drinking that daily. And there you have it, guys, a quick but effective homemade weight gain recipe. All right, if you are like me and you're a naturally skinny guy who finds it damn near impossible to gain any weight, I want to give you more recipes like this one, plus a full 90-day training program and a diet protocol that's guaranteed to pack muscle onto your scrawny frame. All right, so the way it works is very simple. You're just going to go to the link in the description. You're going to tell me where to ship it, and you're just going to cover the shipping fee. All right, it's going to ship anywhere in the world. You cover the shipping. The book's already paid for. I've got a limited number of copies. Once they're gone for good. Okay, you can always grab it on Amazon and pay full price, but for now, you can grab a free copy. Do that now. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll talk to you in the next one. Peace.